The National Weather Service in Goodland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Wichita County, southern Wallace County, southwestern Logan County, northern Greeley County, until 5:45 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, or 6:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:09 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, or 6:09 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 7 miles south of West Canton to 11 miles north of Tribune, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Sharon Springs around 5:20 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. Other locations in the path of these severe thunderstorms include Wallace. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time, or 5:45 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for the following counties in Kansas, Logan, and Wallace.